another video. And today I got cinnamon roll and Kuromi. Yeah, that says Kuromi. Kuromi figure and cinnamon roll, my favorite color figure. I'm gonna be opening them today. And yes, I know it's 13 plus and I'm not old enough. But they are just little figures, and I'm pretty sure they just said that so little kids don't chew on them. But I'm old enough to know that, so let's get started. So we're going to open the cinnamon roll first, because I like cinnamon roll. I love cinnamon roll, but I also like Kuromi. Yeah, Kuromi. Also, I was just telling my mom what kawaii means in the car. Oh, by the way, off camera, I got a few others. Like I got a second one of this and a second one of this. And in the second one, I got this one. So I got a double. Maybe I can give this to my best friend, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, also Mom, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, she is recording. So let's open the Kuromi one. They come in these little packages. I got a double again.
Oh, that's a cute one though.
Yeah. And like in the second one off camera, I got this one. It's called Kuromi A, and this is called Ice Blue. When I said Kuromi A, I didn't lie. It literally says Kuromi A.
Alrighty, they were so cute. Show everybody one more time.
I got these, even though they're doubles, they're still cute. I can give them to my best friend, I think. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
Bye.